Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all and welcome to Simplicity in Education. Today I will explain you the most important question that I choose from class 9 according to Reduce Syllabus 2021. Very important question that I explain you today. Please watch my video till end if you want to get more marks in your examinations in 2021 and so on. The question that I choose is from Unit 2 Maths, Federal Board. Punjab Board has different unit, but it has also this type of question in importance, and the syllabus also included that type of questions. Okay, and Kashmir Board and many other boards from class 9th. Exercise 2.6, question number 3, part 2. Simplify and write your answer in A plus B iota form. This question type has marks from 3 to 8 marks or in between. It may be in MCQs, it may be in objective type and section B or C. So you have to understand it clearly to get marks. First of all, you have to write a question and you have to know about the complex number, what is a complex number and what is a real number. Real numbers are in this question are 2 and 3, which are multiplying. You have to give information to your examiner. Real number and complex number. This is the information that is provided by you to your examiner before starting your solution. Now it is time to start your solution. In solution, what have to do in the first step? You can also write this statement as it is 2, comma, because it's a real number. It cannot be add or subtract to complex number directly in real life. That's why you can write 4 under 4 iota. Why under root 4 iota? Because you know that under root minus 1, which thing you have to be saying is important, you can write it sideways, is equals to iota. What are you doing in the question paper? You must have to be write it in sidewise blocks. You make section to write it, and product of it 3 minus again 4 under root 4 iota. And how I write it under root 4 iota? Explain then. Under root 4 into under root minus 1. When they multiply, they give minus 4. We can't change the statement. That's why you have to be split one and then write it as iota. Hope you understand. Now you have to be product of it. You have to find multiplication can be followed by 2 steps. 2 into 3, 4 iota. There are commas. That's why it's problem to write what have to be right between this. You can't say comma between. You can confuse yourself. That's why use plus a sign instead of comma in second step and explain the reason why you do it. You do it because not to confuse examiner. Now we have sign, that's why we can multiply minus 4 iota into 3 minus 4 iota. Okay, the second and the third step is lead to be the multiplication of the both terms. We get 6 minus 8 under root 4 iota minus 3 into 4 iota, minus into minus gives plus, and the under root cut down because there is a square, 4 iota square. Iota was not included in the under root, that's why I write here iota square. Last step to be right is that to add and subtract, we get minus 11 4 iota minus 11, that's why it is adding because both have negative sign, but sign is be assigned by the greater one, plus 4 iota square. 4 iota square, you know that if minus 1 is equals to 1, then minus 1 is equals to iota square. That's why I am writing here minus 1. Next step that is followed by me and all of you students is 6 minus 11 4 iota. This is a simple simplification. The first step, the greater step you have done. Now this is our answer. This can be answered and more simplified can be that 2 minus 11 under root 4 iota. Or you can write it as 2 comma minus 11 4 iota. I am using iota instead of under root minus 1 because it's the right way to do any question. And in last step you have to be marked your answer. This is the question that gain more marks than ordinary marks, average marks. That if the question is 7 marks, you can get 7 marks. You can get total marks by total. Hope you get it. 9th class. Thanks for watching.